Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin while parked and plugged in or above 50% battery. First, connect the car to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Updates are large and may fail on weak cellular. Then open Controls, tap Software, and look for the available update. Once you see an update, you'll receive an Install or Schedule option. Choose Install now if you want immediate action. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off for notifications, and keep the car awake until the download completes. As the file downloads, you'll see a progress bar and estimated time. Keep the car online and avoid heavy HVAC or charging interruptions. You can also trigger or observe the process via the Tesla mobile app. It mirrors the car's status. Once downloaded, tap Install or Confirm in the app. The car may enter a quiet state and display a countdown before rebooting modules. During installation, vehicle functions are limited by design, so make sure passengers are aware and plan trips accordingly. After installation, the vehicle reboots. Wait until the main display returns and then confirm the new software version under Software. If something goes wrong, try a manual MCU reboot by holding both steering wheel scroll wheels until the screen resets, then reattempt download on Wi-Fi. If the update repeatedly fails, collect the error message, attempt one more download, and contact Tesla support with timestamps and screenshots. They can push the update or inspect logs to resolve persistent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.